What's the meaning of botch? Botch. Botch.
Botch. Botch. The word botch means to carry out a task or job in a careless or incompetent manner, resulting in a poor or unsatisfactory outcome. When someone botches a task, they fail to properly plan, execute or complete the job, leading to mistakes and errors in the final product. This can happen in various fields such as construction, cooking, or even academic work. Botched jobs can result in losses, damages, injuries, or even fatalities in extreme cases. It is important to avoid botched jobs by paying attention to details, preparing thoroughly, and seeking help when necessary.